When you find a nice video on OnlyFans and want to save it for local appreciation, but find there is no download button at all, don't worry. Today, I will teach you step by step how to use the VidBrowser tool to download the original video of OnlyFans for free. The first step is to enter the VidBrowser official website. VidBrowser is a tool that can save the current web page and video resources. Open the official website. It currently supports both Windows and Mac operating systems. Select your operating system, download, install, and open the software. Second, change the default download location. When you use it for the first time, please click the Settings button in the lower left corner. Click the Download button. Click the File option. Change the download location. The third step is to find the video you want to download. Go back to the home page. The software is used as a normal browser, and you can operate it normally. We open the OnlyFans website. Log into your account. Find the video resource you want to save. The fourth step is to save the video. The software provides two ways to save. You can choose the way according to different situations. Method 1. Click the play button. On the right side of the software will sniff the video resources on the page. The video being played is synchronized to the right. We click the download button and start downloading. Second, if you want to control the download time yourself, click the play button. Click the red button above the video. This method can also download the original video. Let's download a few seconds for demonstration. The fifth step is to view the video. We downloaded a video in each way. Click the download button on the left side of the software. You can see the video files we downloaded. The download speed depends on your broadband speed. The theoretical speed has no upper limit. Click to open the folder. Play the video. The clarity is all lossless original quality. That's all for today's tutorial. If it's helpful to you, I hope you can give me a little like.